Right, okay, so here is my Lego haul January part 2. It's taken a while for a couple of reasons. One, I'm still ill. Two, the last packages, 2 of them were coming via online and they took a week, which is crazy. But anyway, they're all here now, so I thought I'd share with you part 2, which again was over $1,000, which is a little bit crazy, but hey, should be enough content to keep me going. Okay, so let's start with, I had to do this. I'm thinking of taking Harry out because I don't like the Harry figure, and just making it Hagrid on the bike, but we'll see what happens. This is set 76443, Hagrid and Harry's motorcycle ride. 617 pieces, which is kind of cool. It's a shame they didn't use, I don't know, minifigs with this. I don't know how they could have done this any better. I suppose because of what it is, it would have been difficult to do the sidecar. It would have been too small. So there's that one. Okay, so that's number 1. What have we got next? Yes, I'm going to call this OpsCat. I think it's called the Playful Cat or something, Playful Kitten. It's the 3-in-1 set, 31163. Not quite the right colour for OpsCat, aka Skibbity. But yeah, 407 pieces. You can make the different versions. You can make a dog and a bird. But I shall stick with the cat, of course. I might buy another set or 2 and build the other 2, I don't know yet. But yeah, I thought that could be fun. So that's that one. You're going to say, why did you buy this? Ignore the dolls, because I'll chuck those away. It's another concession stand for my city that I'm building, which I really do need to do a video on. Because of certain things happening over Christmas time, I didn't actually get to finish it 100%, but I'll show you what I did do. I'll do that in a video. But this is candy floss stand and scooter. So I should use the scooter and the little sign and the actual scooter and candy floss stand, but not the minifigs. I don't like the mini dolls. But anyway, that's set 42643. Thought I could do that as a itch or scratch your itch. So that's that one. This was a very unusual one actually. This I got because the guy at Lego store said, "Oh, have you seen this?" I said, "I don't like dreams." I've only got one dream set, which is the one that's buried in Lego Fortnite sand area on the beach. But this is a controller, which if you look, see, it's like a console controller. So I thought I'd buy that and have that on a stand or something. Set 71439, sorry, 71489. Cooper's Gaming Controller Jet. So it's a jet with a gaming controller. So thought that might be different. Quite something I didn't even see before. It's weird, but anyway, that's that one. We'll have a little game controller. So that's cool. And what are we going to do next? We could start on this stuff. Right. Carrying on the race theme, but Mario Kart. This is 72032. Toad's, what is it called? Oh no, this is the standard kart. So this is the standard Mario Kart. And it interacts with the figures if you've got any of the figures. So standard kart, 174 pieces. Kind of nice, like it, with the glider. And you can, I've got Mario, so I can interact Mario with it and see what he says. But there was that one. I'll put that to one side because we're carrying on that theme. We've then got, what's this one called? Yoshi Bike. So there's Yoshi on his motorbike. which is kind of cool. I love these games. These are really nice games, good fun. And he shoots stuff, and there's like a banana and a block for you to scan, which tells you what special ability you've got or what weapon you've got. So yeah, it's 133 pieces, set 72031. So that's that one. Oh yes, this is huge. This is Baby Peach and Grand Prix set, 823 pieces. Loads of stuff in this, it's crazy. I thought this would be good fun as well. Carrying on the theme, again it interacts. You'll see all the pieces on the back, look. All the different stuff you've got, that's craziness. So yeah, and then you've got that scan me to see it in action. So you can see anything happening, what happens with it when it interacts. So yeah, there's like 3 vehicles in there, which looks cool, awesome. There's like a start-finish gate, and you can make some road pieces up. So I thought that again would be fun. Let's put that over there. Next up, we've got Toad's Garage, set 72035. This is Toad's Garage with 2 little crew working on a car there, which is cool. Like a refilling station and ramp. So I thought that might be fun. So there's that one. That's 390 pieces. Next, we've got Baby Mario vs Baby Luigi. 321 pieces, 2 cars and some stuff to knock over. I think that's like the balloon game you get in Mario Kart. It's supposed to be the balloon game. So yeah, 2 vehicles, some balloons, and a little baby Mario and baby Luigi, which I thought were quite cute. And that is 321 pieces. So that's cool. Carrying on the theme, Donkey Kong and DK Jumbo. There you go. So that's the next one. Is it focusing? No, it's not. Why this camera just focuses on me, I don't know, but there you go. Interactive again, set 72033, 387 pieces. Again, Mario Kart themed. There we go. Scan it. You might be able to see what it does. Okay, so there's that one. And I think that was all of those. Just double checking. Yep, I think it was. Got the latest, well not the latest, but I think from December, minifigs, but I haven't built them yet, so I'll build them and show them in another video. That's quite cool little figures in there. So Mario stuff's done. Let's put that down there. Get it out the way. Oh. Hard work. This bug I've got, this virus is horrible. Wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. Okay. Next, we have got emergency ambulance. I don't think this is new, but it was something that I meant to get before and never got around to it. So again, for the city. So you've got a skateboarder who's fallen and they've come to her rescue. That'll be me on my skateboard. That's set 60451, emergency ambulance. 184 pieces. So there's that one. Okay, next up. City again. This one is the lifeguard truck. There we go. So lifeguard truck, I kind of like that truck. And you've got the lifeguard and the person that he's saving on the surfboard. Why is it always a she? Is there something wrong? This is set 60453. Lifeguard truck, 214 pieces. Again for the city. I like to fill it with vehicles, not just have buildings. Then we got this one, which is the new holiday camper van, 385 pieces. Love the colours on this. Look really, really cool. Here's the back of the box. So you've got baby, mum, dad playing the guitar around a campfire. So this is going to be an awesome little addition. Maybe they're visiting the city to get supplies before they go off into the distance. But yeah, inside, if you look inside, that looks quite good. You've got like a sleeping area and all sorts of things going on inside there. The roof raises up. It's very cool. So yeah, that's that one. Oy. And then we move to Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Hello, Mr. Potter. Hogwarts Castle Charms class. These fit into the bigger set. So combined with 76435, which is the Great Hall, the new one, which I've got, haven't built. I was waiting until I got most of these. So this is 204 pieces, and you get Professor Flitwick, Hermione Granger, and Ron Weasley. No Harry Plobber this time. So there's that one. Then we've got Hogwarts Castle Dueling Club with the snake, and you can interact with it. You've got Harry Potter, Draco Malfoy, Gilderoy Lockhart, and Severus Snape. Comes with this one, and you can fling them off the edge by pushing the buttons on the ends. So that's cool, and comes with a collectible portrait, same as the other one. This again works with the Great Hall set. So there's that one, and that's 158 pieces. Cool. And the last one in the bag. This one again does go into the Great Hall set. So you can slide it in, use it there. But this is set 76447, Hogwarts Castle Flying Lessons, 651 pieces. Anything with Hogwarts Castle before it, I'm assuming that it fits. But this one comes with Madam Hooch, Professor McGonagall, Oliver Wood, Harry Potter, Draco Malfoy, and young little Neville with his goofy teeth. So yeah, that I thought would be a good set. 651 pieces, 76447. Right, so now that's everything in the big box, in the bag. This off. I'm a motorcycle nut. I've now got, I think it's 3 or 4, but I haven't built them yet. This is the new Ducati Panigale V4S. This is the bigger scale, so the 1/8, which is awesome. And there's the back of the box. You'll see the size of it is quite cool. So that's 1,603 pieces, 42202, 18 plus. So I look forward to building the bikes. So that's 16.5 inches long by 11.5 inches tall. Nice. Panigale. I have had Ducatis in my past. Okay, so last, but by no means least, these were the ones in the boxes that I was waiting for. Just so you know. Here we go. Let's open you up. Okay. Hopefully that opens. There we go. Oh. Oh. Okay. I wasn't going to get this until I saw the minifigures that came with it. Okay. So this is set 76453. Malfoy, is it Malfoy's Manor? Malfoy Manor. 1601 pieces. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minifigs. So yes, I bought that, and that'll go in my Hogwarts end of my city, which I intend building, maybe. Anyway, so there you go. Picture of the minifigs you get with it. Come on, zoom in. There we go. So yeah, I thought that'd be cool. It's very skinny. Everyone says it's really, really skinny, which you can see, but if it's going up against the wall, it's not a problem, is it? Anyway, so that was part 2 of my Lego haul. Now I've got plenty of content to get on with. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe. We're going up and up and up in subscribers, which is really cool. Really appreciate everybody subscribing and commenting. And I will see you in the next video. Hopefully being able to breathe properly would be handy. All right, bye bye.